Are you ready to drive into the future? Check out this 2020 Nissan Leaf XV selection, a stylish, reliable, and eco-friendly electric vehicle built for the next generation of driving. This sleek black EV has only 39,000 kilometers mileage, comes with no repair history, and is equipped with an automatic transmission to WD system and a practical 5-door design. The aerodynamic body, LED headlights, and modern alloy wheels give it a premium look and feel. While the interior offers spacious seating, a smart infotainment system, multi-function steering wheel, and climate control, this fully electric car delivers quiet and efficient performance with instant torque and smooth acceleration. Plus, regenerative braking extends your driving range. Whether you're cruising through the city or on the highway, the Nissan Leaf is the perfect choice for drivers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing style or comfort. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of the future. Contact Janda Japan today at +81 906 0806 153 or visit www.janjapan.com, your trusted auto partner.